Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Logger channel, and for today's video I am going to show you a detailed view on the Jito Plus diesel version. So there is CNG also available, so this is the diesel one. You can see here it's not the top end version because you get fog lamps. This is a bit down than that. It costed around 4.5 lakhs uh, off-road, and you can see that no details have been added still now, like the stickering and other stuff. It's yet to be done. Small tires, not big, maybe 13 inches tires these are. I thought it was 14, but it's 13. Indicator, headlight and all I'll show you in a moment. So friends, horn, this is the horn. Next, headlight. So this is the low dipper, high beam, then low beam and high beam. Then fog lamp is not there. There are switch inside which you can put a wiper. This is the wiper, a single wiper, and for the wiper there's a place here where you have to put water. Sorry, this is not the
Brake oil.
wiper thing. This is the brake oil. See, the thing is, when you buy a truck, it's a different scenario. There's no spraying stuff for the wiper, unfortunately. So these are all the scenarios in this case, and place to put the number plate. Apart from that horn, which we just blew right now. So 13-inch tires, indicators at the side. Another indicator over here might would have looked a bit good. Then so this is the place where you can keep around 700 kgs of goods. So that is the plus point. Then at the back you can see indicators, brake lights, everything is there. You can even open this boot and you can sit inside. So that is the advantage of like this goods vehicles. There's an exhaust also at there. You can see the engine down, and lights are available for even the number plate. And another thing friends, sensors are there. The inside instrument shows the gap to be maintained, and reverse you get mud flaps also, which we have not put yet. This is the diesel station where you can put the diesel. CNG also is available in this vehicle. The vehicle starts at a price of rupees 3.5 lakhs and goes up to 5 lakhs, I guess. So this is a walk around of the vehicle. So friends, I'll show you the inside view. First I'll open the door. Very easy to open actually. Just turn it in the right side. Now coming to the inside. So the inside of the vehicle, it's something like this. Closed atmosphere. To open the window it's normal, this one, sliding one. It won't go down automatically. So this is the opening door. If you do like this, the door will open. Apart from that, you can peep at the back. You can put tinted glass also here. There's no problem. And you can build a boot also at the back. Apart from that, here there is a small place to open. It's very tight right now, new vehicle, right? So you can see it entirely opens. Everything is fiber because the vehicle costed around 4,500, not more than that. Then clutch, brake and accelerator, the light dimmer and dipper, you can angle the light. Charging port is there. This is extra, I guess around 5,000-6,000 maybe there for this. I'll just show you how it works just on the vehicle now. So this is the problem. So I guess this is neutral. The vehicle is shaking. Yeah, this is neutral. Okay, so you can see the gear plate actually. First, then second, third, fourth, and reverse. Here you get extra keys so that you can show, and you can see I'm vibrating. Actually, this vehicle is best for carrying milk for milk delivery. Apart from that, egg delivery and grocery delivery. You cannot put more weight on this because I guess the payload is around 720, and the so and what sorry for the inconvenience, and the fuel tank is around 10.5, and apart from this it's BS6 Bharat stage 6 it is, and you get information here, owner's manual, extra information you get in the delivery setup. Apart from that, mileage is around 29 kilometers. I forgot to show you the odometer. 1 minute. So this is the speedo and odometer. Fully manual and a bit of automatic. Sorry, I couldn't explain much in detail about this vehicle because I'm just an auto freak, but I don't know much in detail about these kinds of mini trucks. Upon that, I'm sweating like hell. There's a light also available, small one. So these are all the facilities, and apart from that, we have a handbrake. This is in neutral right now, and this thing shows time. Apart from time, it shows when to start the vehicle, and this is not compulsory, but you can put it anyways. So these are all the casual stuff you get in the vehicle. So I hope you like the inside view. You can carry around 700 kgs in this, 750. Ground is I guess around 2500. Then mileage 29, I have already told you. Fuel tank capacity 10.5. You get CNG version, you get diesel version. This is the CNG version. So I'll show you the outside view now. So we just opened the boot. You can go and climb inside also. I'll just show you. So this is how the experience is of sitting inside. I have seen people who would travel in this sort of vehicles also. So I guess here at the side you can put a big grill station and cover this also and make it like a tempo, which will look good. And from here you can peep in the inside also. So the vehicle is very cute vehicle, easy to travel, and I guess this is the place where you can open the engine and you can look inside. Earlier in Maruti Omni it used to come like this only in the middle. So that is the walk around inside the car. I'm telling car again and again. So this is the scenario when you get a pickup truck and you repeatedly call it as a car. So friends, I hope you like this video. So please do subscribe my channel, and I'll be doing more and more videos soon. Since lockdown and all has opened, when I start traveling back to Bangalore, I hope I get new and more exciting videos. So stay tuned. Until next time folks, bye.